I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making leprechaun hats. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Irish eyes are smiling a little more brightly than usual because it's almost St. Patrick's Day. I was trying to figure out what to make to celebrate when I saw that our compadre Claire had suggested that I make these cute little treats. Thanks, Claire. I appreciate your support. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own leprechaun hats, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. And if you stick around after the recipe, I'll share a couple of St. Patrick's Day facts that might surprise you. For this recipe, I'm using some sugar, some green food coloring, some jumbo marshmallows, some Keebler Fudge Stripe cookies, some green melting wafers, some coconut oil, 1 cup of chocolate, and some shamrock-shaped sprinkles. I'm also using a zip-top bag, a cutting board, a sheet of SilPat, a bowl, and a couple of precision dipping tools. Okay, let's make some candy. If you already have some green sugar, you can skip this step. Otherwise, take some sugar, I used half a cup here, which was way too much, and place it in the zip-top bag. Add some food coloring, and knead it until the color is evenly distributed. Add as much food coloring as you need to get the color you want. Melt the chocolate, then dip a marshmallow into the chocolate. Let the excess drain. And place it on the lined cutting board. Immediately top it with some sprinkles. Repeat until all of the marshmallows are dipped and sprinkled. Once the chocolate is set, melt the green wafers, reheat the chocolate if necessary, then dip a cookie into the chocolate. Let the excess drain. And place it on the lined cutting board. Dip one end of a chocolate-coated marshmallow about 1/4 inch or so into the melted wafers, shake off the excess, then dunk it in the colored sugar, and place it on the chocolate-dipped cookie. I wasn't really happy with the way the dipping was turning out, so I grabbed my little confectionery brush. Okay, it's a makeup brush, but I only use it for candy, and painted a stripe of green along one edge of the marshmallow. Then I dipped it into the sugar and placed it on a cookie. Do whichever method works for you. Leave the hats on the counter until the chocolate is set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slanchiva. How do I eat this? Oh my gosh, this is a moon pie. I guess I should have expected that, what with the marshmallow and the cookie and the chocolate, but I haven't had a moon pie for quite a while, so it never occurred to me. This is awesome. If you're looking for a cute and tasty treat to decorate your St. Patrick's Day table, you really ought to try these. And let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a moon pie episode. That might be fun. The first recorded occurrence of a St. Patrick's Day parade was in 1601. I'll give you a moment to see if you can guess where it was. It took place in St. Augustine, Florida, which was then a Spanish colony but had an Irish vicar. Ireland's first St. Patrick's Day parade didn't take place until 1903, over 300 years later. Mind blown. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. The melted... Then dunk it in the colored sugar. And let me know in the comments if you like to see... Ireland's first St. Patrick's Day parade didn't play...